Naaalala ko noon, akala ko mahihirapan na akong makahanap ng ideal na lalaki hanggang sa dumating ka. Ano? Ang cutie niya! Can't wait to see my groom.
Si Tonel, malambing, maalaga, may toyo minsan, saka palaging maalalahanin.
After our countless unknown interaction during college days and meet each other again after 5 years, who would have thought that we would end up here in front of our loved ones, witnessing to become one.
And ladies and gentlemen, today's call for a grand celebration, and it's now my distinct pleasure to introduce them to all of you. The very first in this afternoon as husband and wife. Let us all rise, ladies and gentlemen. Maaari po ba tayong tumayo lahat? Okay. Ayan. So ladies and gentlemen, make some noise and show some love to our newlyweds, Mr. and Mrs. Pindot. Palakpakan naman dyan.
To Mark and Antonel, congratulations. At long last, the wait is over. Ito na, 1 + 1 = 1 na kayo. Hindi 2 1 yon. So we are happy para sa inyong dalawa. And we will welcome Mark as a part of our family.
To my mama and papa, salamat sa always being patient for me, and I'm proud that I have pride in learning for myself. Pa, thank you for guiding me to show me how to role model and to become a man, to start a family. Ma, ang highlight ko is patience. Thank you for always being patient.
Sa lahat ng mga kaibigan ko, syempre very supportive sila, but my parents are the best. The best talaga, wala akong masabi. Talagang, kung merong greatest gift in my life, silang dalawa yun. So, Mommy, Daddy, thank you very much po for giving me a beautiful life.
Ang Bible verse na ito ang sekreto upang mapanatili ang pagmamahala ng mag-asawa. Mark and Nell, para sa inyong mensahe ito. Ang pag-ibig ay matyaga at mababang. Mark and Nell, maging matyaga kayo sa isa't isa, lalo na sa panahon na marami kayong nakikitang kahinaan ng bawat isa.
May time ng back out trick.
Go. 6 years, wala kaming masyadong pinag-aawayan actually. Pero 6 years na yun, maganda. Ayun. Tsaka puno ng 6 years na yun, puno ng knowing each other more. Tsaka full of love.
Sa rami ng dumaan sa buhay ko, muntik na akong sumuko. Akala ko pare-pareho silang lahat. Pero ikaw ang nagpatunay na may taong kayang magmahal sa akin ng totoo.
Siguro nung nagta-travel kami, specifically sa Siargao. Ayun. Totoo, full of love. We got more closer. Mas lalo namin nakilala yung sarili namin through traveling. So at that time, parang nagta-travel kami together. So mas nakilala namin isa't isa. Mas nakilala namin isa't isa kapag nasa labas kami, na kaming dalawa lang.
Secrets hidden where you are. The trail that I walked so long.
corny pakinggan, pero nasa'yo kasi lahat ng hinahanap ko talaga sa isang partner. Mapagmahal, maalalanin, responsable, at malapit sa pamilya at sa Diyos. Maraming salamat dahil tinanggap mo ko ng buong buo. I feel incredibly blessed to have found you, a man who compliments me in every way. You didn't just come into my life, you changed it for the better.
I vow that we will never be alone. We will laugh, cry, be happy and sad together until the end of our lifetime.
Today, in the presence of our Lord Jesus and all these beautiful witnesses, I vow to love you unconditionally.
I vow that I will be always faithful to you with God in the center.
Trail that I walk so long, covers my feet.
I vow that I will grow old with you, to see you still laugh and smile with your wrinkled face, and pass our wisdom to our children with what we have been through together. I vow to give you all my love until the end of our lifetime. I will never forget this exact moment in our life. I will remember this until I die.
I promise to support you, comfort you, honor you, and care for you with all my heart. I will remain forever faithful and true to you and devote myself completely to you and the family we will build together. I will always stand by your side as your partner and as your biggest cheerleader. Mahal na mahal kita araw-araw habang buhay, Mark.